Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having high ping issue when you are playing games. You are getting very high ping. You definitely think about it guys. How to reduce ping in games. I show you guys how to do that. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Opens up registry editor, right click on it, select run as administrator and select yes. Now in registry you need to go to HKey local machine, expand it and expand the software folder and expand the Microsoft and search for Windows NT. Windows NT, expand it, expand the current version and search for multimedia. Multimedia, expand it and system profile, click on it. You just need to check at this point, you just need to check my file path location guys. I will zoom in my video, just need to check it. And right side you just need to double click on the network throttling index, double click on it and whatever value data in here you just need to backspace it and you just need to type 8F guys, 8F 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You just need to type here 8F value data and select OK and go back guys. And the next step you want to do is right click on the start menu and select run and type here ncpa.cpl, click OK. Opens up network connection guys. We just want to right click on the network connection. What are you using now? I'm using Ethernet connection guys. If you are using Wi-Fi connection, you just need to right click on it and right click on it, select properties, select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties in here and select the use following the DNS server address. You just need to select this and change this address to 1111 and down 1001. You just need to change this. This is way better than before guys, and after changing this click OK and close out of here. And the next step you want to do is, for changes take effect guys, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can able to see the ping in game. There is way better guys. After restarting your PC you can see the changes guys, before and after. You can see the ping high to low and you can see the gaming experience. You can see the FPS frame rate and also good gaming performance. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.